Today, I'll show you how to make a crystal clear, transparent glycerin soap base from scratch. This soap base can be used to create beautiful melt and pour soaps, allowing you to add your favorite colors, fragrances, and skincare ingredients later. For this recipe, these are the ingredients we need. Let's begin by preparing the lye solution. Slowly add 29 grams of caustic soda into 61 grams of distilled water. Never pour water into lye, as this can cause a dangerous reaction. Put on your hand gloves, nose mask, and safety goggles. As the lye dissolves, you'll notice the mixture becomes very hot. This is normal because the dissolving process releases heat. Stir gently until the solution is completely clear, then set it aside to cool slightly. In a separate container, combine 30 grams of sugar with 30 grams of distilled water. Heat gently while stirring until the sugar dissolves completely. This syrup plays an important role in creating transparency by helping reduce crystal formation. Inside the soap, set the syrup aside once it becomes clear. Now add 120 grams of coconut oil and 55 grams of stearic acid into a heat-safe pot. Gently heat the mixture until both ingredients are fully melted. Once the oils are fully melted, carefully add 120 grams of ethanol. Ethanol is one of the key ingredients responsible for transparency. It helps dissolve soap crystals that would normally make the soap appear cloudy. Next, add 31 grams of glycerin. Glycerin is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts moisture from the air and helps keep the skin feeling soft after washing. Now comes the saponification stage, which transforms oils into soap. Slowly pour the lye solution into the oil mixture while stirring continuously. As the lye reacts with the coconut oil and stearic acid, soap begins to form. Unlike traditional cold-processed soap, this mixture may remain fairly clear and fluid due to the presence of alcohol and glycerin. Continue stirring steadily until the mixture begins to coat the whisk. When you lift the whisk, the soap should cling to it in a way that resembles melted candle wax. This indicates that saponification has progressed and the soap structure is forming properly. Slowly add the prepared sugar syrup. The sugar syrup helps improve clarity and contributes to the beautiful, glass-like appearance of the finished soap base. Notice how the mixture remains fluid and transparent. Carefully pour the transparent soap mixture into your mold. Lightly spray the surface with alcohol. This simple step helps burst any bubbles and creates a smooth, professional-looking finish. Allow to harden for 5 hours. Once firm, carefully remove the soap from the mold. And there you have it, a beautiful transparent glycerin soap base made from scratch. This can be remelted and customized with fragrances, colors, and skincare additives to create your own unique soap creations. If you like this recipe, comment, I will try it, and follow for more beauty recipes.